Hello everyone, my name is Jared, aka Revived Rain. As you can see, my media is offline. It's not exactly here. I've accidentally deleted it. After I relinked it through Proxy Media, I could finally get it to work. Find the name, match it, open it. The only reason why I can't see it right now is because if I go to playback, proxy handling is disable all proxies. Prefer proxies. Now I can see your video that you linked, right? I only did this relink Proxy Media because I tried using relink selected clips, English. I tried using selected clips, but it did not want to show my video, right? It did not exactly show anything. See, try going there, nothing to be seen. But anyway, if I press add to render queue, it says one or more clips have missing or offline source frames, stuff like that. Okay, if I try and render it, there you go, media offline. The problem is this proxy media is not exactly here. Like, it's technically here because you can see it, even when I go to edit, you can see it, but when I go to render it, it's not exactly going to show up. Now, to fix that problem, you just need to go to use proxy media. The use proxy media is right here. When you render, it's right underneath all this stuff underneath data burn-in. Use proxy media. You can go add to render queue now, render all, and it should be able to show it. There you go. Okay, so now as you can see here, the video is all rendered out, and there's the footage. Huh?
Our customers' needs has been key, which you've done so well.
And there you go. That's the video, guys. I hope it helped. I hope anything could have been useful at this point. If you do need more help, please go down below to the comments section and tell me what you need. If you need me to make any more tutorials, any different tutorials, like, comment that down below as well. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.